Hey guys and dolls, welcome back. It's your girl Nicole Monique at NonstopChic, and today you guys are getting ready with me. I'm getting ready to head out to a business event, and we're gonna create this natural, everyday business look. That's right, so if you wanna see how I created this look, very quick, everyday look, just keep on watching. Now let's get started. This is such a get ready with me. I know you guys are not used to seeing your girl with a scarf on, but here it is. I'm gonna keep this look really simple, but we're gonna kind of start from A to Z. First thing I'm gonna start with is the Lip Injection by Too Faced. This is the Extreme Lip Injection, just to give me some plumping and some kind of natural gloss. This is gonna be an everyday look because it is a business function. You know, I don't want them to be staring at my makeup so much. The next thing I'm gonna do is use my moisturizer. This brand is called LXMI, which is the LXMI. Every time you purchase this product, they match the dollar, and it pays the women who create this product in that country in Africa, in the Nile River Valley, actually. And so this is a lightweight, pillowy, rare botanical blend that creates a dewy, youthful finish. It's a pore-refining moisture veil, and this is what I've been using for a few months as my moisturizer, and I absolutely love it. You only need a little bit. Since I talked to you guys last, so many things have been happening. I've been traveling, I've been trying to expand, which is why I've kind of had to take things one thing at a time. So thank you guys for being here. When I come back, I'm gonna always come back. Like I told you, I'm not gonna stop, right? Because it's non-stop. The chicness does not quit. I'm going to move on to the brows, and I'm going to use this eyebrow pencil by MAC in Spiked. What's been going on since I've been gone? What hasn't been going on since I've been gone? Like, everything's so bizarre, right? It was sunny today, now it's snowing, and I'm getting ready to go out, and it's like, I was gonna try to do the sunny and glowy springy thing. It literally looks like a snow globe outside right now, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be gone tomorrow. So a lot is happening. Oh yeah, I think I was saying that I traveled. So I traveled back home to Jersey, which is where my mom's side of the family is. I'm originally from Connecticut, and my mom works in Manhattan, and we had an awesome, awesome Easter. I hope you guys had an Easter, you know, to remember too, because this one was definitely one for the books. And I'm just gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pro Pencil. Oh, y'all know I'm so beat without any foundation, but I'm waiting for the foundation. For a purpose, you'll say. And today we're gonna try a brand new foundation, the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. I know you guys are like, oh, you're just trying that now? Well, yeah, because it's not in stores anywhere. I actually, when I was in New York, well, let me tell you the true story. I did order it. I ordered macchiato, and macchiato looks like this, right? So I'm like, oh my God, that is like my perfect skin color. Macchiato is the one. And I remember I was rushing out of the house. Let me show you guys. So this is macchiato, and this is cinnamon. So I'm just gonna say this. These definitely look deeper in the packaging than they actually are. Let's talk about this packaging really quick. The ombre and the plastic with the pump and the squareness, so chic, so modern, so simplistic, so now, love it. Anyway, started off with the macchiato. Let me show you guys what macchiato looks like. Oh, just spread our girl macchiato out and then see how she looks. Spread her, spread her, spread her out. Do you see how my hand is changing color? Okay, so that is macchiato. I thought it was gonna be my perfect color. It ends up being many shades lighter than I actually am. So just keep that in mind when buying the faux filter. I wish there was some place for you to try it. I wish there was some place where I could have tried it, but there isn't. When I was in New York, I ran to 2 different Sephoras because supposedly they had them in stock. No, they didn't. No one has it in stock. The 42nd Street location in New York doesn't. The 38th between 6th and 7th does not have it in stock. So your best bet is to watch reviews. And when I did order this one, I was impressed by the coverage. I got Beauty IQ'd at Sephora. I know, right? I got Beauty IQ'd. I need a Beauty IQ at Sephora, and it said that cinnamon was my color. So let's try cinnamon and see what it does. Add some strobe cream to it by MAC because I always want things to look golden. The Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation is a full cover foundation. It says to use a pump or less and then apply it evenly all over the face with a dense brush or a beauty sponge. For best application, pair with the primer, of course, right? Always trying to sell up or upsell. High coverage cream foundation, effortless application, camouflages imperfections and pigmentation, soft, focused filter finish. Well, let's see for ourselves. So once again, this is cinnamon. Looks darker in here, so it should be a tad bit lighter for my skin tone. So I'm gonna put that here. Ooh, fresh, brand new. All right, we're gonna start off with 1 pump. I don't know, I'm gonna do a pump and a half. And I am gonna add a little strobe cream to it just because that's how I get down on the 2 together. Because I always want a gold undertone, and that strobe cream actually has a pinker undertone. Let's try this faux filter. Dabbing, woo, test and try. Okay. I'm gonna do a half a face so we can really see what it does. Definitely some full coverage going on here. It's kind of deep, huh? Let's see. So I think this dries down to like a matte or a soft matte finish. I don't usually do a matte foundation, so this will be a new thing for me. I love the Dew so far. Not bad, huh? Especially look at this side compared to this side. Look at how even that side is. But I think I'm definitely gonna need more than 1 pump because I did a pump and a half and it did 1 side of my face. So I have the white background so we can accurately see what this foundation is actually doing. I figured the white background would give us an accurate portrayal of what this foundation is doing. And it looks a little orangey to me right now on camera. I'm gonna do the other side for you guys without the strobe cream, because it could be the strobe cream too. Definitely way more matte this way. This side, it definitely looks better than this side. And this under eye, Lord. Okay, because it was looking a little too juicy and orange. This is a pump and a half. Altogether, I used 3 pumps all over my face to keep it 100. But what do we think about the foundation? Is it too orange for my neck? Is it too full coverage? Is it way more full coverage than you're used to seeing me do? I think it's way more full coverage than I'm used to, but it still looks good. Let me blend it down the neck a little bit more because I don't want to look like a sitting head. Like there's nothing worse than that. So we'll see when it gets done. I'm gonna keep this look really natural because like I said, I'm going to a business event. So we're gonna move right along with Tarte Shape Tape in Tan Sand. my Ride or Die, but this time I'm not going to use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm just going to stick to this bad gal and get her done. Now I am just going to powder all over with my Bobbi Brown Sheer Finish Press Powder in Golden 9. I am going to actually, I have a brand new highlighter. I'm afraid to try it. I don't have enough time, but I'm gonna show it to you guys next time. And it's gonna be a giveaway. So, okay, I'm gonna go back in with my Anastasia and Amrezy Highlighter. The glow is real, and I think we're gonna reinforce it just a little bit with, you guys know one of my favorite highlighters, the Carli Bybel. I'm just gonna take a fan brush with this golden tone here. I know it's a mess, but you know, I'm perfect. Are you? Just reinforce that right. We're doubling down on our glow. Right here. Just a little something, right? Tatcha Cosmetics, this Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. So I'm just gonna get this going on right here, right now, so I don't have to worry about it later. And I'm going to use the bottom of this to just buff that down just a little bit. Cheek lift, cheek lift, cheek lift. Instant. Anytime I'm doing a minimal eye, my go-to is Pat McGrath Labs. I think you guys know this, the ultra brown suede pigment. Looks like this. I'm literally just gonna take my finger and just put it all over the bottom part of my lid, and that's it. I'm just gonna blend it out and blend it up. Is that it? Yeah, that's it for now. We'll see if that's it. So I get inspired to do something else, I'm gonna do something else. But like I said, this is a business thing, this is a business workshop. I don't want people to think I spend, you know, even though I do, spend all my time just working on how I look, when I want them to really hear what I'm saying and catch the energy of what is being built. All right, I am going to just blend this out very quickly here. Lord, and it has color on it. Lord, I didn't mean that, but it's minimal color, so can get with it. Now I'm gonna go in with Anastasia Prism palette. Packaging is gorgeous, and I'm gonna take. This is my favorite color from this palette. Throne. This one right here, it really always gives me that kind of deep, smoldering kind of under eye thing that I love. And then ombre it. So it goes from darker, from lighter to darker. Then ombre, remember. And just on the inner bottom crease, I'm gonna hit it with Obsidian, darling. This is one of the blackest blacks I have seen in terms of pigments. Right, I mean, literally in the corner pinch. Boom. Just so there's no pink in the eye, and it just enhances that pinch. Over there, just a little. So I am going to top this look off with the wing and some lashes, I think. So I'm gonna use the Maybelline New York EyeStudio Gel Liner, which is pretty dope. And then I'm going to pop on some lashes, and I'll be back with you guys for the lip. All right, you guys, so this is something you like never ever see me do. I am not gonna do any lashes. I'm just gonna use my eyelash curler because this is a professional event and I'm gonna wear some glasses. So, yes, these are your girls' lashes. They ain't perfect, but they'll do. I'm gonna use Jordana Brown Suede for my lip. And I would love to do a bold lip, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna use this color, I think. This MAC Lip Intensity in Driftwood. It looks like this. Kind of a nudie color. I'm gonna put a little bit of this Smashbox Infinite gloss just in the center. Just enough, right there. All right, and this is essentially gonna be our final look, but this is my business kind of professional look. In just a moment, you will see the absolute final look before I walk out the door. Oh my God, you guys, it's so good to be back. So good to be talking to you guys again. But I'm gonna film something else this weekend, and I got another giveaway coming up, and I think you guys are gonna really like this one, because I tried another one. Y'all apparently don't like no lashes, do you? Maybe it's just me. Or maybe it is, right? But as you can see, this is really what I'm doing on the everyday. I did a 3/4 wing here. I didn't do a really deep wing, but just enough to get me by. So let me get the final look together, you guys, and I'll be right back. And so there's something else I want to show you guys to finish off this look, to really polish it and make it look complete, in my opinion. I'm gonna throw on some glasses, and these happen to be by a company called Firmoo. That's right, Firmoo. And they sent me these glasses and I absolutely love them. I've been looking for, well, let me just show them to you first. A clear pair of shades to wear, and I think this pair is like the perfect pair for me. I love the silhouette of them. How cool is that, right? You get to go on the website, you get to pick the frames, and then you get to pick the shades, the actual lenses, whether or not they're going to be gray or they're going to transition, or if they're going to be like indoor outdoor, if they're going to have a prescription or not, the thickness, all of those things you get to customize. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this look. I hope that you guys stay tuned for my next video and my very next giveaway. I miss you guys so much. Oh, welcome to all of my new subscribers, and I will see you guys next week. So until then, peace, love, and as always, stay chic, dolls.